thrills and surprises, extremely dangerous challenges, video games in real life, cutting-edge technology. All will be revealed. Get ready for this adventure. Witness this master logger at work. Every move is meticulously calculated before the giant tree. Precise cutting angles, clearly marked falling direction. Every detail shows the caliber of a true professional. And here, behold the result of his work. Welcome to Minigator, where German technology creates perfect lumber. The GSR 280 operating before you represents the pinnacle of woodcutting artistry. Can you see those precise saw blades in motion? Watch the saw frame's rhythmic movement. Each log passes through the blade array with absolute precision. German engineering creates perfectly flat boards, ready for the next processing steps. Impressive, isn't it, guys? The Minigator GSR 280 isn't just a sawmill, it's German wood processing artistry. Leave a comment if you want to explore more about this amazing machine. Behold the FSID-60, the world's leading stump grinder. Watch those special steel teeth rotating at 2,100 RPM. The 60 horsepower diesel engine's raw power will leave you amazed. Witness this professional stump grinding technique. The cutting disc moves side to side, pulverizing wood layers into mulch instantly. The advanced hydraulic system allows precise control down to the millimeter. In just minutes, the stump will completely vanish. FSID-60's cutting-edge technology not only saves time, but also protects the environment. The sawdust produced can be reused as organic fertilizer. Simply incredible. On this precarious mountain peak, the logger makes his final cuts. Watch how he calculates the tree's falling angle. Every move must be precise, as even the smallest mistake could have unpredictable consequences. Oh my god, I can't imagine. Behold the power of this special excavator. Have you ever seen a more impressive way to remove tree stumps? Watch that spike pierce deep into the ground. The spike moves like a hunting snake, clearing surrounding soil. Hydraulic power at its finest. That's incredible, right, everyone? Welcome to the future of lumber industry. This is Turbo Sawmill, a machine with a massive circular blade operating right before your eyes. Can you feel its amazing power? Watch how it handles these large logs. The automated system adjusts cutting angles with millimeter precision. A mini factory working with incredible efficiency. Impressive, isn't it, guys? Turbo Sawmill isn't just a sawmill, it's a revolution in wood processing. Every log size is handled easily, quickly, and precisely. Leave a comment if you want to explore more about this amazing machine. This man is using a chainsaw to cut down a tree, but it seems he's not wearing proper safety gear. Such carelessness can sometimes lead to unexpected dangers. Oh my god, right in the crown jewels. That's gonna hurt. Welcome to the Iron Horse Capson 18 RC, the smart iron horse of forestry. Watch how it navigates through narrow forest corners. With a cable pulling system like the Harvester Forwarder, but in a more compact and intelligent design, easy remote control allows operators to stand in the safest position. No terrain can stop this iron horse. This is the future of logging, where technology meets efficiency. Do you like this iron horse? Let us know in the comments below. Behold this massive vertical wood grinder, from small trees to huge trunks, even whole trees with branches, all pulverized in seconds. Listen to that powerful crushing sound. What raw power, right guys? Every time it crushes a large tree, the thunderous sound and sawdust explosion create a wooden rainfall. No tree trunk can resist this crushing power. What an incredible machine! Let's check out this amazing homemade wood splitter. The powerful hydraulic engine pushes each log forward. When meeting the splitting frame, wood transforms into perfect firewood pieces. Simple yet effective. That's the beauty of innovation. Each piece splits evenly, ready for a warm winter. Would you like to build a machine like this? And here's another creative version using the same hydraulic principle, but with a unique design. Watch how smoothly the pusher moves and how cleverly the splitting frame is arranged. Each creation bears its maker's unique signature. Every detail optimized for maximum efficiency. It's wonderful to see such creative versions like this. Welcome to the Edmiston sawmill, where giant logs meet their match. This massive circular blade can handle any size timber. Watch its incredible power as it slices through logs like butter. Operating continuously with high efficiency, the Edmiston never stops. Perfect boards are created with millimeter precision. This is the true power of modern sawmill technology. Meet the Fecon Stump X, the unstoppable stump destroyer. Watch how it approaches the stump. How long do you think it'll take to finish the job? Special steel teeth spinning at dizzying speeds, shredding every fiber. No stump can resist this power. Simply amazing. And that's how this machine handles a large tree stump. Absolute power, isn't it, guys? Behold this powerful industrial wood chipper. Watch how it devours entire tree trunks and branches at once. Everything gets pulverized instantly, not a single piece of wood left. Watch the sawdust stream shooting from the discharge pipe, forming a large pile ready for recycling. With this chipper, there's no limit to its size. What an incredibly versatile machine! This is the John Deere 1-7-9G, the green giant ruling the forest. Watch how it moves powerfully between trees. The giant robotic arm grabs each trunk, cutting cleanly in seconds. The razor-sharp blade slices through trunks, creating a mesmerizing shower of white sawdust in the air. What a spectacular sight! In the forest's tranquil space, the John Deere 12-79G works tirelessly in silence. Each precise movement reflects the skilled hands of harvest machine operators. They deserve recognition for this meaningful work. Want more exciting content like this? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our amazing community. See you in the next video.